moves still.
Alright. Still put it 33 to 17.
Channel
Dude, I cannot break that impenetrable force.
Champion Sound. This is Mr. Sound fighting Abdou.
Yo.
Mr. Sound probably has no idea what's going on right now. Just figured I'd add a little commentary to this.
Yeah, I don't think it works sideways.
It's recording, isn't it?
No, it's recording. Don't look like the opposite.
Oh, really? That's kind of gay.
Yeah, it is.
What, it has like a 30-second limit or something?
No, it doesn't record sideways.
What?
Beast. Beast combos. Beast combos. Look at that Bridget. Look at that Bridget. Beast. Beast. Beast.
Show the people fight.
This is God tier.
This is Abdou.
Mr. Sound. God tier. Yeah, I like that palette.
You tried to lure me in.
Bridget's? Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go against the master.
Oh, snap. Look at that.
Oh.
Wow. And is the champion out? That was only one. That was only one. That was only one.
No way into that impenetrable force.
Look at that. Look at that taunt.
I know.
You see that? Look at that. Oh, God. You know you're a beast when you're throwing taunts out left and right like that. It's God tier. God tier, son. Look at that taunt to low punch.
Hit him with the yo-yo.
What's that yo-yo skill? Come on. There it is. Now it's a kick now. Oh, it's on. You've been that all day.
Champion Sound. Get him with that low punch. Get him with that low punch.
You get double that, like double the health.
Oh, shit.
Oh, this is an old man. It's okay.
No.
Oh, that's it. The champion goes down for the count.
Come on, you gotta play. Come on. You gotta keep going now.
No.
We gotta round up. Round up. Gene, you going up for champion? All right.